Hey beauties, so I did a what I ate in a week on ketos. I know a lot of you are probably not interested in that, and that is okay. I don't blame you, sis, because look, right now I want me a piece of cake. But this is definitely for all my beauties who are interested in knowing what I eat to lose a couple of pounds. I'm not trying to be skinny, but I'm trying to lose a couple of pounds because I put on some. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. So this is my snack that I have is a half a pickle. Usually the old snap pickles, I'll be on the search to find that, but this is just a big old jar of pickles that we got. So I cut that in half, and I have some pork rinds, and I got the Golden Flake brand. And if I'm feeling very snacky, I would eat a little piece of this Quest bar. So that's snack. Okay, so the lighting. I just kind of sauteed in some butter, some ground turkey. I have some green beans over here that I'm going to do, and some sauteed a little bit of shrimp. And I think I'm gonna make a salad because I'm not really that hungry. And I wanted to show y'all that I've been drinking these Powerade Zeros because I kind of got off the keto because my son had his party, and then I don't want to have a relapse of keto flu. So I've been trying to get some electrolytes. This right here is my favorite, and yeah, you could have all your little benefits of your magnesium and your sodium and all that stuff. So this is what I've been drinking. So let me plate up my food so you guys can see it. Alright, I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on there because that's where I like my shrimp. But this is basically a sorry dinner, but I didn't feel like cooking nothing else. It's just some ground turkey, some green beans, and some sauteed shrimp. I'm probably gonna, and then have my water. And I'm probably gonna do this for dessert. Well, I did these little cheesecakes. I mean, they don't look like cheesecake, but there's some strawberry cheesecake. And I'm probably gonna take one of these, probably that big piece right there, swivel a little bit of this on there, and call it my dessert. I don't know, maybe 2 pieces. We'll see. So I'm about to eat my dinner, and I'll check you guys. If I do get dessert, I'll check you. I will tell you, or I'll show you guys, okay? So I'll see you after I eat. Okay, change of plans. I did not, I'm so tired of meat, and I'm so tired of cheese, but I didn't eat the meat. So I decided to make me a salad, and I made, I got this egg salad. I'm really hoping it's not carb. You know, at this point, I'm hungry and I don't know. But it looked like it's just mayonnaise and eggs up in there. So I put some of that on there. I have this burrito that I'm going to scrape the meat and cheese from the inside out. And then I'm going to, the only thing I have on hand is some light buttermilk ranch, which is 3 carbs, as you can see. And if you get the full fat, I think it's either 1. Hold on, let me check. Well, I thought I had some full fat. I must have already used it, but I believe it's like either 1 carb for 2 tablespoons or either no carbs. I'm not certain, but I believe it's 1. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat this salad, and I'll show y'all what it looks like afterwards, because I just cannot do meat and cheese, and plus it wasn't nothing appetizing for me at all. Alright, so, oh gosh, breakfast. I decided to do a week-long vlog for you guys instead of just a 1 day. So, breakfast, I have the heavy whipping cream. I have a Premier protein, and some stevia that I got, and I'm gonna put it in my coffee. I'm on the go today, so this tastes so good. I swear to goodness, this combination tastes so good. Plus you're getting your protein in and a little bit of your fats. But I have to come back and eat this one. Usually you could find some with no carbs, but this one has 1 carb for heavy whipping cream. But I guess I will see y'all at brunch, lunch, something. All right. Okay, so it is, what time is it? 3, it's like 3:30, 3:20. And I'm just about to eat, I guess, lunch. So I have a salad here. I got 2 strips of bacon. It's jalapeno bacon, so I wonder how that tastes. Some cheese and some of that egg salad again. And I have some regular ranch that I found. So it's 100 calories for 2. Oh no, for 2 tablespoons, and the carbs is 1, which is not bad. So this is my lunch for today. All right, you guys, see you soon. Okay, so here is dinner, and I have my water here. Look what they having. Ooh, they look good. Anyway, so dinner is this beef patty. It is a 80-20 beef patty. Since I haven't eaten too much today, if I get hungry, I might get another one. But there's some pepper jack. I'm waiting for it to melt. Pepper jack cheese, some onions, grilled onions down there, and like 2 tomatoes. And this is what I got. This pepper jack cheese I got from this Best Choice place or company. And there's 0 carbs in it. And I also have mayonnaise on here. And I found some mayonnaise that was 0 carbs. So this is my dinner. And it is 7:50. So I'm about to eat. Oh, I know y'all hear that. All right. Okay, today is, what today is? Friday. Today is Friday. So I started this on Wednesday, and I guess I'm going to go through the weekend, and then I'll stop and get this video out and probably do another one starting Monday. But anyways, it is 1 o'clock, you guys, or it's actually 12:55, so basically 1 o'clock. And I'm just eating. So I have a leftover patty, hamburger patty, which I'm so excited for because I have to choke these down. I don't really like eggs. I mean, I like eggs, but I don't like them when I have to constantly eat them every day almost. So I'm excited for the patty so I can eat it with my sunny side up eggs. I have my water. I have a little, just a little green salad with my little pickle up in there. I have my coffee, and this combination, I'm telling y'all, is the best. Now it looks like I have a good bit of protein here, but that's okay because I'm actually going to probably, well, I missed breakfast, so this is going to be my breakfast and my lunch, so it's okay for this much protein. At least that's what I'm thinking. But yeah, your coffee becomes very, very creamy. You throw some ice up in there if you like iced coffee. It's the bomb, y'all. It's the best combination. Premier protein, whatever kind, some heavy whipping cream, and some kind of stevia for the I'm looking at my dog, y'all, but stevia for the sugar. So this is my brunch, I guess. Good day, y'all. I'm just coming back to show y'all. I'm telling y'all, me and eggs don't get along that much. I got one and probably a little bit of half one down. Almost done with my water. Killed that. I'm having a lot of taste for, I guess, carbs. So salad is my thing, and I'm about to work on this. And I'm telling y'all, if y'all throw some, what is that stuff called? Cinnamon or something up in there? This is so creamy, so good. It is the best thing since sliced bread. Who needs carbs when you have this creamy coffee? All right, so I am gone until I have a snack or probably dinner. Alrighty. All right, so dinner is going to be these gravy steaks. And I just kind of season them with some accents, some garlic powder, and some Szechuan tropical. And right here I have some zucchini, and I'm probably going to stick it all on top of this cauliflower rice. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. Right now in the pot, I just have some butter. Oh yeah, some butter in the pot. But let me get these on, and I probably will put a little bit of barbecue sauce on it, some sugar-free barbecue sauce. Let me show y'all. So I'll probably throw this sugar-free honey barbecue sauce up in there to make it, you know, a little sauce, like a stir fry. But you'll see when I find out. So right now, I have all the steak and the bell peppers, onions up in there. I'm gonna throw the zucchini up in there in a couple minutes. But my stomach is growling, you guys, and I'm gonna throw this up in there. So I'll show you how that looks in a minute. By the way, the carbs in this barbecue sauce is only 2 per serving, and that's what I did. I threw 2 tablespoons up in there. If y'all can see all that. All right, so here's dinner, the end result. I just threw the zucchini up in there, the steak. I did not eat it all, so if I'm still hungry, I will eat. But usually I get full. There's the cauliflower rice. I only use like 1/4 of a cup of that. And I guess the rest of it would be leftovers for tomorrow if I don't eat it all. But this is my dinner for tonight. All right, today is Saturday. Today it's about 12:30, so it's always late. Anyways, I got coffee as usual. These 3 things are in my coffee. I have 1 egg, so hopefully I'll be able to chop that 1 egg down. And I have my leftover. This is just that steak that I had last night, and I have a water. So all this I am going to put down, and if I get a snack, I'll come back. Okay, so I'm feeling a little snacky, and usually what I do, especially when I don't feel like baking nothing or trying to make nothing, is I spread this. This is almond butter. I just sit there and spread it. Well, you get the picture, right? I spread it like it's some kind of little cake pie, and then I take my 0 carb whipping cream, heavy whipping cream, sugar free. I get the sugar free kind, and it's 0 carbs, and I spread that all on top as if it was some kind of dessert. I know it's weird, but it satisfied my craving for something kind of sweet. So I just got this kind of almond butter. I forgot what kind I had last time, but this is the kind I got this time. Alright, so that's just my little snacky. And that way I get some extra fats in, and I'll get a little bit of sweetness from the heavy whipping cream. Alright, this kind of looks soupy, but this is some tuna because I am starving. And I'm probably just going to put this lettuce up in there, keep from dirtying a bowl up. And it's past lunchtime. It is like dinner time, you guys, but I have not decided what I'm going to eat yet. I know my family is eating sloppy joe, and I cannot do it. So that's about how much I'm going to put up in here for the tuna. And I am about to eat this as a tuna salad. So I guess I'll be back with dinner. Here's dinner. It is quite late. I've been up doing hair all day, and I had a film too. So I'm probably going to just eat this. This is some Parmesan, garlic and Parmesan chicken from, where is this from? Pizza Hut. I guess I'm just going to pour this all on here. So, in all the goodness. And I'm going to put some ranch on here. And I don't know what else, because I don't think I have anything else. I just do this on here. I don't really care at this moment because I'm starving. And I have my water, and if I'm still hungry, I think I would probably get some dessert and call it a night, because these are just 6 wings. I probably do a salad on side, but this is my dinner. And that's exactly what I did. I just want to come back and show y'all. Threw a salad on the side, and this is dinner. Good night, y'all. I'm tired. Hey, you guys. So today is Sunday. It is approximately, it's 11:35 right now. I'm gonna have this coffee, and it's 2 tablespoons heavy whipping cream, a couple things of stevia, and some Premier protein shake up in there. I actually was about to let me let you see. I had to get in some lighting. Today is Sunday, as I told y'all. I have to go grocery shopping because we don't really have anything in the refrigerator to eat. I do not want eggs. That's basically what I have, and I don't want no eggs. So I'm just gonna drink this coffee right now. I had such a disgusted morning this morning. I had it planned. I was gonna show y'all my outfit of the day, but after I got home, I was so disgusted. I took everything off, and yeah, as you can see, it was gonna be. I had red on, had my little red lips and my little red nails, but I was so disgusted until I was like, I don't feel like doing anything. So I just put on, like, I just got like the little tank top and some shorts on. My family is gone still, and it's just me at home, so I guess I'm gonna drink this coffee. Hopefully my day gets better, but I hope you guys are having a better day than I am today. Happy Sunday, you guys, and I guess I will see you guys at maybe breakfast or either lunch, whichever I choose. I don't know. I really want to go crabbing today, so hopefully that will be a reality and kind of help me to ease some of my stress levels, I guess. So, all right, you guys, good day. Okay, you guys, I know this look kind of like a sorry lunch. Well, it's 2 o'clock, so, and we're in the car, we're going crabbing, and my only option was to have fried chicken. So I'm just gonna pick all of the skin and stuff off of it, and I have some ranch that I brung, because I thought I was gonna be able to get some more of those wings I had last night, but that wasn't the plan. So I'm just gonna finish picking that off, as you can see. And this is my lunch. So I am back. We didn't catch anything. This is a little cucumber salad that I guess whipped up real quick. Oh crap! Shoot. I have some vinegar up in there. I put some lemon pepper, a little accent, and I put some of this Italian dressing up in there. It has 3 carbs for 2 tablespoons, which is not bad. And I think I just have 1 tablespoon, and this is a half of cucumber until dinner time. I don't know what I'm going to eat for dinner, but you guys will see when I see. All right, so here is my dinner. I threw this together. The family is having barbecue spaghetti, so of course I can't have that. Have my water, which I need to probably get 1 more of these, maybe 2 more of these down. And if I get, I want something snacky, this will probably be, I'll squirt a couple of this in my mouth, and that'll be it. This is the Walmart brand. The Walmart brand with the sugar-free heavy cream has 0 carbs. So anytime I want something sweet, that's my go-to. But yeah, this is, I didn't tell y'all what it was. Okay, so it's broccoli, and this is some garlic butter and cheddar cheese shrimp. So this is dinner. I hope you guys enjoy this. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a piece of hair on the back of my camera. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoy this what I ate in a week vlog. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. I'll come back and do more. Until next time, beauties, I hope everyone stay blessed. Bye, y'all.